guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have the Winter Vine O box to share with you. This is the Oh Ho Ho box, I believe. I'm very excited about this. Vine O is a quarterly subscription box. It's $69.99, something like that. And you get 2 bottles of wine plus a bunch of goodies. Also, I have a discount code for you, and they're always running fabulous deals where you get like extra treats and stuff. So make sure you check out the description box for all of that information. Okay, so we have the box of goodies, which I will set aside for just a moment. And when you sign up, and you can also give this as a gift, it makes a fabulous gift. You can choose either 2 reds, 2 whites, a red and a white. They also have a sweet wine option, which I think is awesome. So I have a red and a white. This is a Speechless Pinot Noir. Sounds yummy. And we have a Night Vine Pinot Grigio. Very nice. Okay, now for the goodies. Let's see what's in here. Okay, we have our little thing of cards. This tells you all of the information you need. Plus, they always have like little notes at the bottom where you can buy extras. If there's something that you love, then you can often get like a discount as well, which is really awesome. So I will set these aside and we can reference those as we go through this because I want to know what this is. Look how cute that is. What? Okay, Treat Yo Elf. This is Sweeter Cards, Premium Sea Salt Caramel Dark Chocolate. Oh, is this meant, oh, it's, I think you're supposed to like, it could be like a card, you know, and then you can be, it says Happy Holidays and you can write a little note. Love, Rebecca. And then, is there chocolate in here? There better be chocolate in here, because ooh, oh my, that looks very dark. Should we try it? I kind of want to try this right now. I love dark chocolate with red wine. My favorite pairing. Oh, there's definitely like ooey gooey caramel in the center of this, and I can see the sea salt. Ooh. That's really tasty. Oh, I'm so excited about that. I'm going to save the rest of this for when I open that bottle of Pinot Noir. Plus, I love that you can make a card out of this. Like, what a great idea. Just buy a stack of these and then you have them on hand for like all of your happy holiday things. And I'm sure they probably have different things, not just elves on the front. Okay, I see some jewelry. Sorry, I'm still eating chocolate. Hang on. I'm so tempted to just open that bottle of wine right now, but I gotta go pick my kids up from school. So that's gonna have to wait. Okay, let me look at this. Oh, it's a necklace. This is really pretty. Isn't that pretty? I love that. I feel like circles are very in. EB&Co Open Circle Necklace. Whoa, retails for 50 bucks. Here, I'm gonna put it like a little bit longer because of the shirt I'm wearing. Actually, I wonder if shorter would be better, like if it's up here, whatever. Anyway, I'll deal with that later. That's really pretty though. I like that quite a lot. Oh, Willow Collective Cozy Hat. Oh my, the pom-pom's a little smushed. Let's fluff that up a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, you guys, it is so soft and fuzzy on the inside. This is lovely. I'm so excited about this. Let's put this on, shall we? I don't know how to wear hats with my bangs these days. Like, because if I put it on, that's not cute. I guess I just have to like shove them up or something. Maybe I can, I don't, whatever. Anyway, it's a cute hat, isn't it? I'll figure out the bang situation later. That is really cute. I love this. Oh, you guys, this feels like such great quality. It's so plush and just soft and, I love that. Laritzy, I love Laritzy. Laritzy, I believe, is a Canadian company, and they have really great, lovely products. Eyeshadow Palette. Oh, these are actually really lovely colors. Look at those. Aren't those pretty? It's not just like, it's not just browns. You have, you know, some that are like a little more taupey, a little more pink, you know, like this champagne color over here, which is really lovely. So it looks like 2 mattes and 3 shimmers. Very nice, very nice. What? Is this a cutting board? Set of 2 bamboo cutting boards. Oh, nice. Ooh, and they're thin too. I like this. I love a good cutting board. Core Home, ooh, Charcuterie Board Set. Aha! It doesn't it's not, you know, specific to charcuterie, I don't think, but this is really nice. How fun. You've got the little one for just your cheese and cracker snack, and then a bigger one for you know, chopping larger things or whatever. I don't know. Use it however you want to. Anyway, what a fabulous, fabulous box. Some entertaining things and yummy chocolate. I'm obsessed with this hat. I'm really excited about this eyeshadow palette. You know, it's funny, I usually am more attracted to cool tones rather than warm tones, but these are just really pretty. You know, they've got a lot of pink in them, not just brown, which I appreciate. Also, that pink brings out the green in my hazel eyes. So anyway, all of the information will be in the description box if you guys want to check it out. I love me some vinyl, and like I said, it makes a great gift as well. I know this time of year, lots of things going on, birthdays and holidays and just, you know, general get-togethers and whatnot. So these are lovely. Plus, you know, it's just great to give for yourself. And these wines are really easy drinking, crowd-pleasing types of wines. Every time I pull these out for company, everybody loves them. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!